Morning at the office.
Hello, Mark. Good morning. Hello, Mark. Good morning.
Hello, Lisa. How are you? Hello, Lisa. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too. Did you sleep well? I am good too. Did you sleep well?
Yes, but I woke up late. Yes, but I woke up late.
Oh, I woke up early today. Oh, I woke up early today.
That's good. Did you have breakfast? That's good. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I ate eggs and bread. You? Yes, I ate eggs and bread. You?
I only had tea. I only had tea.
Talking about work. Do you have work today? Do you have work today?
Yes, I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Yes, I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
I also have some emails to write. I also have some emails to write.
Do you like working here? Do you like working here?
Yes, I like it. It is calm and nice. Yes, I like it. It is calm.
Yes, and the team is friendly. Yes, and the team is friendly.
Coffee break. Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. I need it. Yes, please. I need it.
Here you go. Sugar? Here you go. Sugar?
Just 1 spoon. Thank you. Just 1 spoon. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's sit for 5 minutes. You're welcome. Let's sit for 5 minutes.
Good idea. Good idea. Good idea.
Talking about lunch.
What will you eat for lunch? What will you eat for lunch?
Maybe rice and chicken. Maybe rice and chicken.
I brought pasta from home. I brought pasta from home.
That sounds good. Do you cook often? That sounds good. Do you cook often?
Yes, I like cooking. Yes, I like cooking.
Me too, but I don't cook very well. Me too, but I don't cook very well. Future plans.
What do you want to do in the future? What do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel, maybe go to Canada. I want to travel, maybe go to Canada.
I want to study more, maybe do a master's. I want to study more, maybe do a master's.
That is a good idea. I wish you success. That is a good idea. I wish you success.
Thank you, Mark. I wish the same for you. Thank you, Mark. I wish the same for you.
End of the day. It is 5 p.m. time to go home. It is 5 p.m. time to go home.
Yes, I'm tired now. Yes, I'm tired now.
Let's walk together to the bus stop. Let's walk together to the bus stop.
Okay, let's go. See you tomorrow. Okay, let's go. See you tomorrow.
See you, Lisa. Have a good evening. See you, Lisa. Have a good evening.
You too. Bye. You too. Bye.